Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Claire. I have got the August beauty box to unbox with you. If you're interested in the subscription for yourself, as always, you find all details down below in my description. Down there you'll see all the codes and offers Glossybox currently have running, and also you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription. It costs £13.50 and that includes shipping. Each box contains 5 products. Sometimes we get the added freebie, and it has a minimum value of £50. There is an offer on this month. If you are a new subscriber and you use code PRGIFT and you take out a 12-month subscription, then you will get your first box for £10, plus you'll get a free mystery box worth £67, and you'll get an Avant Illuminating Day Cream, which is worth £97. But if you don't want to take out a 12-month subscription and take up that offer, I do have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to get your first box for £8.50 on a monthly rolling subscription. The value of this month's box is £52, and it contains 4 full sizes and 1 deluxe size. You always get a QR code, and when you scan it, it'll just give you extra information about the products in the box. And a little sneak peek. What is this then? This is Earth Harbour Mystic Waters Mineralizing Rescue Mist. Oh, I love a mist. It has sea electrolytes and pre and postbiotics, and there's 60 mils here. Earth Harbour. I wonder if this is a brand I had before, and it's all beautiful blue. Oh, yes, it is. Look, it is. It's bright blue. I think I've had a serum in the past years ago. What can I tell you about it besides it looking absolutely gorgeous? Purely natural, ethical, sea active. A super-powered toning treatment to quickly calm, purify and restore troubled skin while enhancing mood. Oh wow, okay. Spray 3 to 5 times after cleansing. Use daily AM or PM or throughout the day as an SOS spray for your skin and spirit. All right. So that's what it looks like. Ooh. No, I got makeup on. I'm assuming you don't apply it to your face if you've got makeup on. I just want to try it. Yeah, it's not a super fine mist, but it's not a full-on, shock me mist. That is really nice. Oh, it feels amazing on my skin. I don't know if it's going to penetrate through my makeup, but it's definitely going to perk me up. It doesn't smell of anything. So how does it affect my mood? What is it about it? How will it affect my mood? Oh, magnesium. It uplifts mood. I didn't know that about magnesium. I take magnesium glycinate at night before I go to bed. There's lots of magnesiums though, aren't there, in different supplements. So no, really like that. I really like that. All right, we have got Skin Cyclopedia. I don't think I've seen this brand before, so this is a new one. Possibly. I don't think we've seen it in Glossybox anyway. This is a hydrating complex, hyaluronic acid, panthenol, ceramides and glycerin. And it's a shower gel. 75 mils. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, what's it smell of? It smells like something I know, but I can't think what it is. Oh, it reminds me of an apple-y type shampoo, a really cheap apple scented shampoo when I was little. I might not even have apples in there. I really like that. I love it because of the smell, but the fact it's got hyaluronic acid and ceramides and glycerin and all the goodies for your skin anyway. But yeah, no, that's nice. Happy with that. Then we've got Beija. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is Mona, a shimmering body milk with tiara flower extract. And there's 50 mils here. Pretty packaging. As always, I've put too much on. Wow. Okay, let's put it all over my hands. Put it everywhere. Oh, it smells nice. It's like sherbet. No, it's not really. I don't know how to describe the smell. Yeah, it's so nice. It is really nice. And yeah, it's given my skin a bit of a tint as well, only a little bit. Yeah, no, I love that, and I like the smell as well. So yeah, no, I'm really impressed so far. What else have we got? We got a mask, and this is Beauty Pro Super hydrating, hyaluronic acid, travel face sheet mask, intensely hydrates the skin after traveling or a day in the sun. Anti-aging formula. So yeah, has all the information on the back there on how to use it. It says hyaluronic acid derived from soybeans hydrates and locks in moisture, while chamomile and wild rose brightens and naturally tones. So you've got a sheet mask there. We've got a makeup product. This is Lauren's by Lorenz Sorrentino, and I think it's a lip liner. So it's a Silk Trace lip liner in shade Petal. Yeah, it's nice sort of neutral shade, one I would definitely wear. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I really like that. That's a nice shade. Quite a universal shade as well. So there you go, those are all the products. So we've got Mystic Waters by Earth Harbour. It's a mineralizing rescue spray. I love that. Then we've got the hyaluronic acid, glycerin, panthenol, ceramides, shower gel by Skin Cyclopedia. I love the smell of that and the ingredients too. Then we've got the Beauty Pro Stay Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Mask. Yep, I use sheet masks, so they're handy. And then we've got Beija, which is a gorgeous smelling body cream. It's very, very lightweight and it's shimmery and it gives you a little bit of a tint as well. Oh yeah, besides the lip balm marks there. So there's that. Yeah, that's nice. And then we got the lip balm by Lauren's in Petal. So a nice sort of universal shade. I'm impressed this month. Yeah, really, really impressed with the beauty boxes, not just Glossybox, but other ones as well. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts because you may feel completely different to me. I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. But yeah, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.